Got my boy Jay from Mercy Luxury Rentals over here with Dylan from Faster Media. You know these fucking guys. They're all over the place. Any supercar you can see him film, it's usually this guy's supercar and this guy's camera. So if you see him on the highway going 150 miles an hour, it's these guys, all right? He brought us something sick. We got a ZR1 Corvette 600 in the world. There's probably only like 50 of these in this color with a convertible top. You guys can see the carbon fiber hood. The thing's sick. It's honestly a dream car, man. 750 something horsepower, I believe. Got the orange paint job, carbon fiber front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser, wing. The thing is awesome, man. You got Geo in here. Geo, say what's up, bro. Say what's up to the camera. You got carbon fiber interior. Everything on this car is carbon fiber or lightweight brushed gold aluminum, which is pretty sick. Carbon fiber rear panels. Like I said, the wing on the back. We slapped some carbon fiber Gexhaust tips on there. You guys can hear it's loud. There's a 488 in the back. We got a ZR1 up front. Carbon fiber tips. Looks sweet, matches the rest of the car. We actually picked this up from Cario Motorsports. If you guys want a supercar like this or like this, Cario Motorcar is definitely the way to go. This was actually at Cario as well, so everything in the lot. Cario Motorsports, shout out to you guys. And we did something pretty cool on a ZR1. Nobody really does except for this crazy Savage. Chopped off the mufflers on a ZL1, numbered 1 out of 500 cars in the world. Chopped off the mufflers. He's gonna be screaming through Brickell like a madman. And it's gonna sound insane because it's a supercharged V8 American muscle real Corvette. So Gio's gonna rev it. We're gonna have a little rev off, see which one sounds crazier. We got this Ferarri 488 GTB with a K-line exhaust, downpipes, full tune. The thing rips, all right? Another 700, 800 horsepower car against an American muscle 800 horsepower car, which is pretty awesome. I mean, come on, what do you guys do? This is what we do. Carbon fiber hood, completely carbon fiber, painted. You see the exposed carbon underneath? What the hell kind of air intake is that? Thing's massive. Can't even see the supercharger. But see me through the hood, which is pretty sick. Yeah, thing's pimp, man. I mean, how much does that thing even cost? 5 grand for a hood scoop, I guess. Carbon fiber hood scoop. But yeah, pretty sick. You guys could see the numbered VINs on there. Carbon fiber exposed underneath. And it's obviously painted with the orange, which is pretty cool. And then carbon fiber trim throughout the car, man. Side skirts, rear vents, or front vents, rear vents. Or those are actually not even carbon. Huh. Gloss black. Weird. Thanks, Corvette. Gloss black wheels. Should have been carbon fiber wheels if you ask me. And then just to recap on this Ferarri 488 GTB, K-line exhaust, full downpipes, tune, carbon fiber license plate, carbon fiber license plate frame, which is pretty awesome. Carbon fiber light assembly, I guess, whatever you guys want to call it. Carbon fiber vents, carbon fiber front lip, and I believe this hood is not carbon, but the hood, the front lip is, which is pretty cool. The front bumper actually might be carbon, but you never know. So yeah, you guys tell me which one sounded better, the Corvette ZR1 or the Ferarri 488 GTB. Both sound pretty sick in my opinion. One's an American muscle, farmer's dream car, and then this guy, he's the guy that goes out in the suit, tries to take your girl in Fort Lauderdale. You know what I'm talking about. A little classy James Bond looking ass motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Ferrari, pretty sweet ride in my opinion. Rare red interior, or not super rare on the Ferraris, it's kind of all red, but red calipers, white everything else. But yeah, so I think that's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and you let me know what you guys think. Shout out to Gexhaust for sponsoring all the cars, which is always pretty cool. And Jay and Dylan from Faster Media, Mercy Luxuries. If you guys are looking for rental cars, this guy is the man. You guys want to learn how to do rental cars, this guy's the man. Go learn, man. And yeah, we out.